Hello there, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Welcome back to the light. I'm Jake here, gonna bring you a short video talking about a cool little penny stock that I've been watching called CarbonMeta Technologies. The stock ticker is COWI or COWI. Very interesting play in the SRI, ESG or sustainable and renewable energy sector. So here we go. We're going to get right into it. I'll show you some charts and some articles and tell you why I like watching this company and what's getting me excited about this play. So I got to start off saying this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, do your own reading, research, and all of that stuff before you make any money moves in the market, buying, selling stocks, whatever it is that you do. Do your own research. But I hope that you enjoy learning about this company with me here today and seeing why I'm excited about it, because I like sustainability, renewable energy, socially responsible investing, environmental social governance. That's SRI, ESG investing, if you hear me talking about that. And dang, I also like to see green. This is about as green as it gets, carrying my portfolio today with that 40% gain, breaking out of a very stagnant barcoding kind of pattern that we've seen for really the better part of a month. That was a nice gain, getting us back up to essentially the month high. But we've got a long way to go to break out of this downtrend. You can see from the 1 year that we're kind of around the lows here. And that volume was a lot higher at this point, though. Now, over 6 months, we're seeing that this is really just probably the bottom. Hopefully, it resumes a reversal, continues to go up and up. I'd be excited seeing some more gains, and I definitely think that there's a lot of reason to be excited about this company, as they are bringing to market incredible technology. CarbonMeta research at the beginning of a new era of processing organic wastes to generate economically sustainable hydrogen energy and carbon nanotubes. It's a very exciting here, an innovative hydrogen solution. I like this, as they talk about this with their vision. They're proud to be an active participant in the growing circular economy, which I think is, they're talking about, you take waste plastic and you bring it back into the cycle. You don't like melt it down and just turn it to other junk plastic. Like, you take that and turn it to energy. You eliminate the waste, tackling two birds with one stone, getting rid of plastic waste, turning it into a sustainable energy source with no carbon emissions. So that's very, very cool. This new ESG mandate will guide our business both in practice and ethics. And they talk about how they're also going to be, making high value carbon products for customers in the automotive, aviation, medical, construction industries, as well as carbon nanotubes for next generation of clean energy transportation, because those are going to play a role in, like semiconductors and batteries and things like that in the future. So there's a lot going on with this company, not just the hydrogen from waste plastic, but if you want to look at who's the big players here, I mean, they've got the CEO, Lloyd Spencer, and now a whole board that they've just named to work on this. One of the guys is the partner at Oxford University, of Peter Edwards, who was involved in this project here, where they talk about hydrogen's potential as a non-CO2 emitting fuel, and they, this is awesome. He says that this is the most exciting project of his career, with companies and finance houses keen to get on board as they look to scale up the lab experiment. He's working with these fellows, his colleagues, one of which here is Chao Tengshun, who is, if you look at it, part of the leadership team now, bringing decades of leadership. Got Dr. Chao, the Chief Technology Officer now. We've also got Managing Director Mohammed Khalil and Chairman of the Board and CEO of the company, Lloyd T. Spencer, who has been working hard to transition this company into what it is today. and changing the name recently from CoreAware to CarbonMeta Technologies, to better reflect the objectives of the company. So, if you're looking it up, you're still going to see CoreAware Inc. coming up. That's incorrect, but of course, doesn't really matter much. Stock's up 40%. Anybody who's watching it knows what's up. FINRA approved this name change, as it says here. It's changing the CarbonMeta Technologies to better reflect the transition of the corporate focus to resource reclamation. And this is very exciting. You can see, the mentions here, and they have this, as they say in their video, that they talk about everything that they're planning, a exclusive rights partnership with Oxford University to the patent for the technology that is talked about in this article, where they use microwave catalysis to turn the waste plastic into hydrogen and CNTs. So this is exciting. Definitely go check out the website. Read more about the leadership. Definitely reach out to investor relations if you want. It's exciting stuff here. You got to go and check this out, and go watch the video here. This full interview is definitely something that you got to see with Small Cap Voice. Doing this roundtable discussion with the board of directors. We've got Lloyd, Mohammed, and Dr. Chow. This was exciting to see. Chow revealed that they have the exclusive rights for that in this video, and they've got a lot of plans that they got to keep close to their chest. Can't just show you the cards, and so I expect a lot of news from them coming out in the near future. Should be an exciting end of 2021 and big start for this company coming up in 2022. So I'll keep on watching them and reporting on this channel. Thank you for staying tuned and watching this video, as well as I've wanted to feature COWI in a video exclusively for quite a while. Thank you for joining me on the channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for the next videos. I will keep up with the news. We got censored news, information, and coverage of stocks and crypto. So I hope that you're enjoying it all. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in the next video.